Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to block messages from individuals. So let's say you're getting messages and you want to block it from someone on your Nokia 105. So to do this, you want to head to the menu by pressing the middle button, and you want to come into the messages section here. So we'll go into that by pressing the middle button again. Let's go into the inbox, and let's say we want to block messages from this individual. So let's read the message, and then you can press the options key here with the message open of the person you want to block, and you have all these different options. So you can delete, reply, edit, use the number, forward. You can find out the details. However, to block it, you can add to screen list. So you can select that, and it'll say add number to screen list. You want to press OK. Now, whenever this person tries to message you, they will be blocked from messaging you on the Nokia 105. So that's how to do it. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like button, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.